We want to take a minute to share how you can benefit from CareerFitter. Our career test uncovers your work personality strengths and perfect careers, and then we give you the tools to help get your career started. CareerFitter has been the leading psychological assessment tool for a person's work personality for 20 years. Our questions will assess your work personality, and there is no wrong answer. If you're not sure how to answer, click the Unsure tab for more helpful insights. Your premium report is a deeper dive into your work personality strengths and connects you with hundreds of modern career reports, allowing you to narrow down your perfect career by filtering against your test results, desired salary, education, and even careers that allow you to work from home. Clicking on the name of a career opens details about salary information, educational requirements, and more. There's even a video to see a day in the life of that career. Clicking on the link Hiring Near Me does just that. You will see companies in the USA and Canada that are hiring for careers near you and even apply online. You can save careers in your favorites, and you have 2 years of unrestricted access to all career tools.